everyone, it's Justine and I am so excited today. I get to show you the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar for 2022. So I can't show you exactly what's inside every day, but I am just here to show you what it is and to talk about it a little bit. So it's rather big. It's not even quite fitting on my screen here. So you can kind of see it's about, about 14 inches by 9.5. So it's pretty large. So it has to be full of some goodies. Just shaking it, you can kind of hear that there's lots of things in here. I kind of felt like a little kid when I took this out of my box that it was shipped in, because I immediately was like, what's in here? So let's just take a look at the packaging. It says, especially for card makers. So that's me. It has stamps, dies, embossing folders, stencils, embellishments, and it has 24 crafty surprises. So that's for December 1st through the 24th, and it's all in here. So I'm just gonna flip it over. This is what it looks like in the inside. So every day you get to open up a new little door. Let's see, where is number 1? I can't quite see it. Oh, there it is. So I can't wait to open it up. Just giving us a little sneak peek here. It looks like these might be some of the things inside. I don't know, because I mean, this is still sealed, as you can see with the plastic. So I really don't know what's in here myself, but just looking on the box here, these look like some of the discs, the smooth discs, and they're blue. That's really pretty. It looks like there's a little truck die. Looks like there's an embossing folder. This looks like a layering die. Let's see, that says make a wish. Because you're awesome. Until further notice, celebrate everything. Spoil yourself. It's on me. So that's what that little stamp set says there. You can see it's so tiny. It's like the size of my nail. But let's just look at the bottom now. It says that this is a delightful advent calendar. It contains 24 crafty surprises, including cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, embellishments. Just add paper and inks and adhesive to create dozens of projects. Cutting dies and embossing folders require a manual die cutting machine, such as the Spellbinders Platinum 6, which is of course not included because that is so big. So if you're looking to maybe start crafting with cards, I would put a platinum on your Christmas list, or save up money from Christmas and pick up a platinum. They're perfect for die cutting and embossing. Let's see, we have kind of the same stuff as the box. So I am going to just take the plastic off and open up the inside, but not actually open up any of the little doors, because it is not December 1st yet. But when it is December 1st, I will open up the first box, and I will probably do it all on camera. And I guess we'll just see what's inside, and it probably will be short videos every day of December. We'll see how busy I end up in November to plan all of that, but time will tell. Ideally, I'd love to have a video go up every day of December, from the 1st to the 24th, but I don't know if that's quite realistic for my schedule, but we'll see. So it just looks like you open up the little box. Oh. Looks like you just open up the little box there. There's kind of like a little tab where your finger could go, and you just lift it up. So each section is perforated, and you would just open up the door. So I will have to use quite a lot of self-control and not open these quite yet, because I'm really not ready to open them up. But if you are interested in buying this advent calendar from Spellbinders, it's going to be on pre-order on October 5th. So if you're interested in it, the sooner you get your name on the list for pre-order, the faster it will come to you. And once they have them all in stock, they're going to ship them out to you guys. So I can't wait to see how many projects I make with this. It might be kind of a fun challenge to maybe open up one thing and then see if I can make a project with maybe a couple, or depending on what's in there, something. It might not be a card, maybe it will be a bookmark or a wine tag. I don't know. But I'm really excited to open up every little door and find a crafty surprise. But we will see what's all in there. I guess that kind of dictates what the project will be. But anyway, this is just so neat. I think it would be even kind of fun. I don't know what the holes look like inside, but I might open it kind of carefully and try not to rip any of the edges, because this would be really neat to open up, enjoy myself, take out all the goodies, and then carefully close each door again and maybe put some goodies in there and use it next Christmas for a gift. I could decorate the outside of this box and maybe give it to one of my godchildren. I don't know. But I think that would be kind of fun, even if it was just like a little piece of candy or something. So we'll see. And I just can't wait to open it. Can you? Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're interested in buying this, and maybe what you might expect to see in it. Of course, they give us a little preview here of what might be in it, but let me know what you're excited for that might come in here. Maybe it's the dies, maybe it's some fun embellishments, maybe it's a cute little stamp set. I'd love to know. So let me know in the comments. Anyway, tune in back on my channel later in December, probably on the 1st, to open up my first door. I can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.